Hey guys, we're doing the team draw now for the Grand Reserve case for tonight at 6:55:25 PM Melbourne time. Participants: Redgowen 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yoink. Say hello. The killers missed the bright side 8 times. 8 times. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yoink. Top and bottom had good teams. And, it's complete. We'll copy it across, then we'll paste and read them through. Yoink. Alright, so Michael Paul with the Sixers, Ashley Scott McMahon with the Kings, Lanyon with the Bulls, Raymond Dye with the Raptors, Stashman Blazers, Michael Lanyon Rockets, Michael Lanyon Pelicans, Andrew Hurley Jazz, John Spence Wizards, Dees Hohepa was trying on with this thing. There we go. Dees Hohepa Knicks, Ray Cora Suns, Van Houten Hawks, Sean Thong Spurs, Darren Gibbs Pistons, Zach Ivancic Grizz, Darren Gibbs Clippers, Lanyon with Wolves and Hornets, Glenn McCubbin with Warriors, Josh Keith with Pacers, Ed Lee with Nuggets, Chris Stewart Celtics, Glenn Bowe with the Cavs, Lanyon with the Mavericks, Andrew Hurley with Magic, Sean Thong with Nets, Ashley Scott McMahon with Bucks, Glenn Bowe Thunder, Jeff with Torski, Heat and Van Houten with the Lakers. So we'll find out what comes out. And the time is 6:57:53 PM.